शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते
I'm glad to have the opportunity to be talking to you all through a digital platform. I believe that the pandemic with which we are fighting is going to be defeated for sure, and hope that we'll be seeing you all physically in the coming months. This year has brought unforeseen challenges to all of us. Physical distancing puts limit to almost all our day-to-day activities. But all of us who are determined to not accepting defeat continued with the journey of growth and development. Growth and development of our children, our students. We must not forget that our teachers have done a remarkable job by learning new technologies and using it in various ways to get connected with the students, imparting valuable lessons of life. Like every past year, we have celebrated every festival, days, held competitions and events. Our students have participated in competitions outside the school and fared well. We did this all in spite of COVID-19 restrictions. Every year, winter is the time when we have our sports meet. School playground goes vibrant with the enormous energy and enthusiasm. With the help of these sports and games, students learn the values of teamwork, cooperation, honesty, self-esteem, sportsmanship, honesty, and many more values and skills which are required for the growth and development of individuals. This is the reason we have thought that in the time of pandemic, we are not going to let our students miss the joy of sports and games. We have come up with a beautiful concept of sports meet where all the students of our school will perform, will participate in some very interesting and fun indoor sports and games activities, which will not only entertain them, but also help them acquire various values and skills. Sports Week this year might be a bit different in appearance, but the objective of having Sports Week will remain same as always. And that is to have a fit body, fit mind. Our Honorable Founder Chairman, Shri Bakulesh Gupta ji, is a brand ambassador of Fit India movement, and his better half, Mrs. Lata Gupta, have always remained in the forefront to promote the Fit India mission through a number of events and programs. Under the visionary leadership of Mr. Bakulesh Gupta and Mrs. Lata Gupta, our Urmi school has created a name in the field of sports and culture, as according to them, education is incomplete without sports and culture. Today, we are extremely happy and blessed to have Mrs. Lata Gupta among us to inaugurate the 29th annual sports meet of Urmi School. A very warm welcome to you, Lata ma'am. We have Mrs. Radhika Nair, Managing Director of Urmi School, Mr. Arjun Singh Makwana, Sports Director of BRG Group, Mr. Viral Shah, Admin Director, Gujarat Public School at Ladra, are also there with us. A very warm welcome to all the dignitaries present on the dais. And now, I request Radhika ma'am to formally welcome Lata ma'am.
मैडम ये बच्चे ही होता मैडम तुम्हारे बच्चे हो गए एक मिनट बच्चे वीडियो
I declare the 29th annual sports meet of Urmi School open.
The tradition that a student representative take the sport pledge on behalf of all the students. This year, our PE teacher, Mr. Vikas Nair, will take the oath on behalf of all the students. Students are requested to repeat the sports pledge after Vikas.
Lord, we swear that we will take part in 29th annual sports meet of Urmi School, respecting the regulations which govern them, and with a desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of the school and the glory of the sport. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. I would like to render my sincere vote of thanks to our chairperson, Mrs. Lata Gupta, our founder chairman, Mr. Bakulesh Gupta, managing director BRG Group, Mr. Sargam Gupta, and our managing director, Mrs. Radhika Nair, Arjun sir, and Viral sir. I would like to thank all the members of core committee of Urmi School, Art and Craft Department, BRG News for providing tech support, all the educators of Urmi School, and most importantly parents for believing in us and standing together with us as one strong family. Before saying goodbye, I would like to say, Abhi ishq ke imtihan aur bhi hai. COVID-19 is still out there. So, remember the rules of physical distancing. Stay fit, stay healthy, stay safe. May God bless us all. Thank you so much.
गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल। आई होप आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। एज यू ऑल नो, मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पे क्यों आया हूँ, उसका एक और रीज़न भी है। हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने एक पहल शुरू की जिसका नाम है फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट। उस पहल को बहुत सारी सेलिब्रिटीज़ भी हमेशा प्रमोट करती है और उन्हीं की तरह हमारी उर्मी स्कूल हमेशा फिटनेस और फिट इंडिया मूवमेंट को ऑलवेज सपोर्ट एंड प्रमोट करती रहती है। आप सब सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं आज बहुत हैप्पी हूँ। उसका एक रीज़न है कि इस पैंडेमिक में हमारी एक पूरे साल की एक बहुत बड़ी इवेंट होती है जिसका नाम है स्पोर्ट्स वीक, वो नहीं होने वाली थी। बट आपने आगे की स्पीच में सुना होगा हमारा 2020 का स्पोर्ट्स वीक का ओपनिंग हो चुका है एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि उस इवेंट में आपके साथ स्टार्ट करने वाला जिसका नाम है मास ड्रिल। ठीक है, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग अ टाइम हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं मास ड्रिल। उसके पहले हम करेंगे वार्म अप और उसके लिए हमारे साथ रहने वाले हैं विकास सर, वो आपको वार्म अप स्टार्ट करवाने वाला है। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर फर्स्ट सेशन।
First, full body stretch. Lift your body upward on your toes. 2 step forward. Again back. Right bend. Left bend. Forward stretch. And backward stretch. Next, neck rotation. Both sides, clockwise and anti-clockwise. 5 times each side. Reverse. Now, next, arm rotation. Same, 5 times forward and 5 times backwards. Reverse. Next, waist rotation. Same, 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Okay. Start with the first exercise. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Second exercise.
1, 2,
exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Fourth exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Next.
Fifth exercise.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Seventh exercise.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Seventh exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Eighth exercise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Sit down. We'll start with the sitting exercise. Exercise number 1. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Second exercise. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Third exercise. Start.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. 1.
Fourth exercise. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 6, 5, 2, 1. ओके सो
Thank you.
ये था हमारा एमडी का सेशन जिसे कहते हैं मास ड्रिल। उसे मैंने उज्जवल सालुंके और विकास नायर सर ने किया। ठीक है, अभी इसके बाद का सेशन होने वाला है जुम्बा का, जिसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, जिसे कंटिन्यू करवाएंगे केदार सर। ठीक है, हैव अ गुड डे, थैंक यू। ऐसे हो गया, करो।
If you wanna put the money, put your hands up. All the first team on slow down. Seems to roll, I don't believe it. They say she needs to slow down. The baddest thing around town.
Ready?